Hello my people, hope you are doing okay. Welcome to Her Name Is World. Guys, welcome to Her Name Is World. Welcome to the channel that changes the way people think about staying in a village as you carry out agribusiness. So guys, this channel inspires you to do agribusiness as you stay deep down in the villages, so that you are in position to monitor your projects. As you can see, I'm driving, guys, and I'm on my way to town. It is back to school, and I just want to say some few words about back to school, guys. So those are the kids that you can see, and you can hear the goats are crying in the boat, guys. So this is what they call agribusiness. We are taking back kids to school, and I'm going to show you that with agriculture you are able to take back the kids to school without getting a loan and without selling your land, assets like land. So we are going to sell our goats and our sheep to supplement on the money of buying requirements and the process of what? Taking back those babies of mine to school. I always tell you, come back to your villages, guys. There are a lot of expenses you reduce when you stay in your villages, like nutrition, like buying food. You can see they are busy enjoying their chicken. That chicken reared it at the farm. They are so healthy. So those expenses of always buying food, you reduce them. At the end of the day, you increase your profits. So if you have very many projects, you are able. If the hens are not on market, you can sell the sheep. If the sheep are not on the market, you can sell the goats. If the goats are not on the market, you can always sell the eggs and also the what? The rabbits. So agriculture is the way to go, guys. We want these life examples. So these are the eggs. I'm also going to sell the eggs, as you can see. And I have my sheep in the boot and my goats. I don't always sell these things from the village. I put them in the boat and take them to the Rufla in town, because there in town their price is so good, and me sagala kunsela. So that's why we are going. After all, we are going to town. But guys, look at the road. Look at the road, guys. I don't know where to pass, but let's get going. I'll be letting you know when I reach in the Rufla. So say hello. Hello. Yes, they are going back to school. Okay, we are going for a medical checkup before we go to school. Bagambe tugenda mu lab. Konkona.
Talente etwesera wako.
Wane? Ogenda yitira wano. Labya mupe. Menya omuto. Rain, kwete ebintu ebyo. We've arrived, and this is the Rufla. This is our last sheep. They are putting it there. They are storing it, and we are going to receive our cash. Bano tebalina nno okuva ku makya. Nedda taata maliriza. So guys, that is what we always talk about, agribusiness. Having something to sell in times of need is very important. That is the importance of rearing animals vis-a-vis crop husbandry. So we are going to get our kamane, and we got back to school.